This chair is insane. This Colamy chair that they sent to me for this video has everything you need for your working from home office day, your gaming, your productivity. I can't keep kind of like rolling, you can see this, and like swiveling because the thing is super smooth. So why I like this chair so much? Number one, as I was saying before, it is extremely comfortable. It comes with this elastic and resistant mesh that I really like, and kind of like three positions, I want to say. Let me explain. So number one, it comes with this lumbar support right here, this lumbar support, dedicated lumbar support right here piece that I think it's extremely good for your sitting position. It also comes with this mesh seat right here, which you can see that goes kind of like in an inclined position down the back, I want to say, like towards the back. That is on purpose, so you have that 90 degrees position sitting towards the lumbar support. And also this is a tall chair that also comes with a headrest that you can, number one, tilt if you need, or you can adjust the height as well. So I think that's really convenient. Something that I got extremely impressed about this chair, it's I don't think I've seen this before, that you can actually change the height of the seat. You can lock it if you want from the back, and you can change the height of the seat. So that was a new thing for me. I like it to be kind of like in the lower position, I want to say, so then you can see that you can sit in a really nice 90 degrees position, I want to say, right here. And this lumbar support is going to push you upward. So I like that very much. I'm 5'10", by the way. I weigh 190 pounds. You can see that I can rest my head in the headrest. And this chair supports 300 pounds. So let's talk about the assembly process. Assembly process, everything is explained here. And I think it took me 20 minutes. Less than 20 minutes, I think, so using power tools. It is really easy, really straightforward. You're not going to have any issues. Something that I really like about this right here, the armrest. So pay attention. You can put them backwards, forward, in an angle inside, angle outside, and also change the height. So I think that this is a must-have for gamers, like being able to change the height of the armrest for your elbows if you're playing shooters or something like that, like FPS games. I think it's really important. But it comes with two more things that I think they're like the cherry on top. Number one, this right here comes with a dedicated footrest. So extremely comfy, padded as well, and kind of like a really nice fabric. If you're sweating or something like that, that fabric is really good. But then pay attention to this right here. Of course, you can just modify the height of the chair like every other chair, but then it comes with this. Oh my dear Lord. This is so comfy. It is a rocking kind of like, it's not a recliner, it's a rocking, I want to say, like it bounces back. But then you can actually it comes with a knob right here that you can change the kind of like adjust the rocking as well. So you can rock just a little bit, a tiny bit more, or just like fully. I want to say that it's probably is close to probably 100, I don't know, like 140 to 150 degrees, I want to say, but it's really comfy, and look at how smooth this is. Yeah, this chair is, I mean, again, I was super surprised about this chair. I know that Colamy makes really good chairs, I have to say, but this one got me a little bit surprised. Extremely comfortable, 300 pounds. With this amazing rocking feature, you can change the height of the headrest, you can change the height of the armrest, you can change the height of the back support here. And the lumbar support, I think, is really good. I'm gonna give this chair a huge thumbs up. I do recommend, extremely recommend this chair. I like it. Thumbs up again. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.